Founded in 1980, Amato's Auto Body has continued to earn its reputation as a leader in the auto collision industry. Our mission is to provide the highest quality collision repairs available to our clients. We have 15 factory certifications from the leading auto manufacturers such as Tesla, Audi, Porsche, and many more. We are also proud to be the first factory-certified Tesla repair center in San Diego with over 7 years of experience repairing Teslas. In the 40-plus years that we've been in business, we have seen it all and have the expertise and skill to get your car back on the road. Our 15,000 square foot facility employs a full range of manufacturer-approved, state-of-the-art equipment to ensure your vehicle is repaired to the original manufacturer specifications. All jobs, big or small, are completed by factory-trained technicians using only OEM replacement parts. We operate 7 days a week to help make sure no one is without their vehicle for longer than necessary. From start to finish, Amato's Auto Body strives to provide the absolute best experience the auto collision industry has to offer.